Today we will be assembling a Trivoli dining chair. The first step is to attach the metal plate to the seat of the chair. It will come with a sticker that says up. This needs to be placed downwards onto the chair. There is also an arrow which needs to point towards the front of the chair, and you'll notice a curve where the arrow is. To attach the plate, we're going to loosely assemble 2 screws by hand at the front of the chair. You next need to twist the metal plate clockwise and use one of the Allen keys provided to place into the hole to lock the plate into position whilst you are assembling the screws. This will allow you to attach the other 2 screws and tighten all 4 screws with the second Allen key provided. You can now turn the plate, remove the Allen key, and allow that to reset to position. Our next step is to attach the legs to the next metal plate. Next, we're going to attach this metal plate onto the seat of the chair, noting that the arrow should point to the front of the chair. Next, use your Allen key to tighten the screws firmly into position. Now your chair is assembled and can be turned into the upright position. Please note that the chair comes fitted with adjustable stoppers, so if it is uneven on your ground or if your floor is uneven, you can simply tighten and loosen the adjustable stoppers at the base of your chair.